Did you know your mind is like a garden? If you don't tend to it, weeds can grow and take over. These weeds are negative thoughts and feelings. They can make us feel anxious, stressed, and unhappy. In her book, Cleaning Up Your Mental Mess, neuroscientist Dr. Caroline Leaf teaches us how to clear out these weeds and cultivate a healthy, thriving mind. Dr. Leaf explains that our thoughts have incredible power. They can shape our feelings, behaviors, and even our physical health. The good news is that we have the power to choose our thoughts. We don't have to let negative thoughts control us. This book is especially important for young people. You are at a time in your life when you are learning, growing, and facing new challenges. Having a healthy mind can help you navigate these challenges with confidence and resilience. Just like an athlete trains their body, you can train your mind. Dr. Leaf provides practical tools and techniques that anyone can use to manage stress, improve focus, and boost their mood. Imagine your mind is like a room. When you're stressed or overwhelmed, that room can get messy. Clothes pile up, trash bins overflow, and it feels chaotic. Dr. Leaf calls this a mental mess. We've all experienced this mess. Maybe you have a big test coming up and you feel anxious. Or perhaps you had an argument with a friend and now you're feeling down. These negative thoughts and emotions can clutter our minds and make it hard to think clearly. Dr. Leaf explains that these negative thought patterns are like toxic trees in our minds. They grow deep roots and can poison our well-being. But the amazing thing is, our brains are capable of change. This is called neuroplasticity. Through simple exercises and daily practices, we can actually rewire our brains. We can replace those toxic trees with healthy, positive thoughts. This process takes effort, but the rewards are incredible. The first step to cleaning up our mental mess is to identify the toxic thoughts holding us back. These are negative or unhelpful thoughts that pop into our heads automatically. For example, we might think, "I'm not good enough, I'm going to fail," or "nobody likes me." Dr. Leaf provides a helpful acronym to remember the 5 steps to eliminate toxic thoughts. Mind. M. Mindfully observe. Pay attention to your thoughts and feelings without judgment. I. Identify the toxic thoughts that are causing you stress or unhappiness. N. Normalize these thoughts. Don't be ashamed of them. Everyone has them. D. Deconstruct the thoughts by challenging their validity. Ask yourself, is this thought really true? Rewire. Replace the toxic thought with a more positive and realistic one. Before we continue, if you're enjoying the content, hit like and subscribe for more insightful summaries. Once we've identified and started to eliminate our toxic thoughts, we can begin building a better, more positive mindset. Dr. Leaf offers a variety of practical strategies for doing this, including gratitude journaling. Write down 3 things you are grateful for every day. Mindful breathing. Take a few minutes each day to focus on your breath. Positive self-talk. Challenge negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Visualization. Imagine yourself succeeding and achieving your goals. Physical exercise. Moving your body is a great way to clear your mind and boost your mood. In her book, Dr. Leaf shares incredible stories of people who have used her methods to overcome challenges and transform their lives. One young woman, for example, struggled with severe anxiety and panic attacks. By applying the principles in cleaning up your mental mess, she was able to manage her anxiety, graduate from college, and pursue her dreams. You can start cleaning up your mental mess today. Choose one of the strategies from the book and commit to practicing it for a week. You might be surprised by the positive impact it has on your life. Remember, you have the power to choose your thoughts and shape your reality. By taking care of your mind, you can unlock your full potential and live a happier, healthier life. What's one small step you can take today to start cleaning up your mental mess? We reached the end, but before you leave, join our community of passionate readers, where your love for knowledge and great stories truly matters.